Hey folks, in today's video we're going to be using the Philips Hue integration to alert you when you receive a new follow on Twitch. Before we get into anything though, you have to make sure that you actually have a Philips Hue bridge before setting up the integration. First of all, inside the app, head to the settings on the top right, and then click on Integrations. On the Integrations page, click on New Integration on the top left, and then select Philips Hue. The app will automatically scan the network to find your bridge. Once it has done so, click on the available one, and then you will have 60 seconds to press the button on the top of the Hue bridge, and then you will receive a success message on a connection from the app to the bridge. Next, head over to the Rules section. What we want to do is now add a new rule with a trigger for a new follower from Twitch. Next, we want to add an action for the Hue lights. In the action block, we want to select Hue as the device type and then either play group effect or play light effect as the action type, depending on how you have your room set up. Select your group or individual light depending on what you selected from before, and then inside light effect either select long or short alert. Short alert will flash your lights once, whereas long flashes them for about 15 seconds. And that's all there is to it. Now when someone follows your live stream, you won't miss out on them when in the action or hyper-focused on your game. You can also use other features such as changing the light state to a different color or even targeting a group to switch on or off. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any issues or want to show us something very cool you have made with Aitum, please follow us on Twitter or join our Discord. Links to both will be in the description down below.